Are you looking for Kason 1332 handles? These handles are not being manufactured and distributed anymore. However, Dent Design Hardware produces an identical handle that you can buy online immediately. You are looking at a picture of what our Kason 1332 replacement handle looks like. The design is identical. Some of the key specifications include an optional key lock, a narrow base, a bright finish, and a lever release. You can find out more about the Kason 1332 replacement handle that Dent Design Hardware produces by visiting the following website address: denthardware.com/K1332. The website address again is denthardware.com/K1332. Thank you.